What's up, y'all? We are in Miami, back in the 305. We finished up here last year and we're starting out this year. It's a beautiful day, but this is our first MLB stadium on our schedule. We have 17 more after this, but this is the first one. We got here yesterday, practice, got used to the field, and it's just a beautiful day, so we're ready to rock and roll. Playing the Party Animals tonight. We got 2 games here this weekend. I'm gonna film the first one, Tanner's gonna film the second one. We're about to do photos with Flood, doing little walkout photos. So let's have a day, follow along. Here's what it looks like to be a banana ball player at the Marlins Stadium on tour. Yeah, here it goes.
Mauldin the hero! His second walk-off of the night! Bananas win 5-4!
All right, this place already rocks. Look at this. The throwback Gatorade in a can on deck whenever we want them. Look at that.
What we got? See, we here in the Marlins Stadium. I got this fit on. I ain't really paid for any of it. Free. Yeah, it's a great day. I wish it was Sunday because God is good. We definitely gonna win tonight, bro. We definitely gonna win.
All right, locker room check. Let's see what we got going on in here.
Billy and his boxers.
All right, check this out. Highlight bling. Y'all ready? Yep. Look at that. All right, Tanner's letting me use this tripod today. I forgot mine.
That's a bet. You know it. I'm letting Dalton use the tripod today. He's got game 1, Miami, and I got game 2. And I think, what is Delano doing? I think he's doing game 1 also. There's Brown.
D-Bone. The shades are on. It's a sunny day, and it's a beautiful vibe.
Let's get it.
T-Time about to go in on the beat. Sun is down, freezing cold. That's what we already know. When it's here, my dog goes by 2 or 4 Louis belt. That's all we know. We don't know nothing else.
All right, so we just did a photo shoot, so I'm gonna give you a little fit check of what I'm wearing. So first things first, hat, 47, Phoenix Suns, shout out Suns. Shirt is from Waste Management. Got this in Arizona. We were playing there a few weeks ago. Shoes, I got the Converses on. This little color is cool. I don't know what this color is called, but it's like a light brown kind of thing. And then pants, I don't know where I got these. I think maybe like Cotton On. They're like a little bit oversized, but not too oversized. I really like these. So just casual, a little oversized fit today, nothing crazy. And yeah, that's the fit check for the day. All right, y'all, we're about to take some BP at Lone Depot Park, the Marlins Stadium. This is the coolest thing ever. Getting to play on these fields is so cool. Like, I don't take it for granted one bit. Like, this is what I grew up wanting to do, play in a full sold out MLB stadium. You know, I thought it was gonna be for the Atlanta Braves, but things change. And I get to do it for the Bananas, which is even cooler. What are we about to do today?
We're about to bang.
About to bang! Get down here.
Can I hang with you, Dalton?
Yeah, get right here, Reg. Get what you doing, bro?
Let's talk together. This is game day today. We're playing 7 o'clock Eastern on YouTube Live.
Yeah.
So tune in to watch the greatest show in sports.
Yes.
Make it known, the greatest show in sports. This is Dalton.
Yeah.
And this is the inspirational coach, Reginald Horton.
Thanks, bro. Love you, dog.
Love you. Off your shoulder.
Off your shoulder. Let's hit some bombs, bro. All right, it's time for BP. Let's go.
That was good.
That was good, bro. All right, we just had Reggie clip farming right there. Hopefully they turn these lights on and we'll get some BP going here. Hey, we're ready to rock and roll.
Today's the day.
Today is the day.
We lost a lot of games. We need to win more.
Need to win.
ASMRs.
Okay, let's have some fun. Yeah. All right, it's a beautiful day. We're at Lone Depot Park. We're about to do some trick plays on the field here. Let's get into it. So what's crazy to me is this seat in the very top corner, underneath that little pylon, is gonna be full somehow. And someone's gonna sit in it. Thanks for watching. See ya. All right, y'all, now I'm going outside. I'm gonna rehearse. I'm singing my song Wreck today. That's the plan. I've never sang it live for anybody. So So we're doing that today, and then I'm gonna sing a little country medley before the game out here on the stage. And here's what it's gonna sound like.
If I never get to see the Lord, if I never get to see the Alpha Tower, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, baby, I saw you when you were all my windows down.
All right, me and Ryan are getting some lunch. Let's go. Don't know what we got, but I hope it's good. Let's go. All right, real quick, I just want to show you guys this little view. I don't get to actually eat lunch here because we got rehearsals, but if I did get to eat lunch here, this would be a really good spot to eat lunch. Look at that.
Hey, this is my ASMR intro. Brenna's about to run rehearsal. I'm basically useless right now.
Yay, fun day today. Rehearsal should be fairly easy for us since we've been doing this stuff, so it's gonna be very good. Get through it and we'll ball up from there. Hitter walk-ups, prime, it's gonna be your first at bat. Welcome to Miami. And then now that we have KJ back today, KJ will be your first at bat, and I think you're entering in the 6th inning, so it's gonna be between that 6th and 8th inning as well. Run celebrations through the crowd. Second one, only when I'm lying. Kellogg with the kid, shout out. And then our third one is JT Coming, and that one looked really good yesterday, so let's stick to that one.
My name is Kyle, and I've been here for a while.
So this is the line and bet on my own trend. We've tried this, but we haven't got the babies to like do what they're supposed to do, you know, pretty much. So we're gonna try again today, and I got a good feeling about today. And this one is called JT Coming. Hey, bro, you need a flashlight? I don't even know.
That's logging. He's logging. He's about to get laid out, though.
That's low time.
Watch this. Should I wear the mic for it? This is Paparazzi by Lady Gaga. KG's doing his impersonation of Lady Gaga. He's a pretty good dancer, though, so I think he's going to crush it. But watch this. That ain't the important part.
Come here, come here! Damn, hey, don't try to make me not play it anymore.
He has to get it every time.
Hey.
He just said he can't take a hit.
Rehearsal.
Yeah, not as many as Mike.
Rehearsal means practice. You talking about practice?
That's why he got 13 ABs, bro.
Bro, how many he got? 12?
I got 13 too.
All right, Prime's getting a walkout too. Prime is doing Miami by Will Smith, and I used to love the song. My mom had this CD when I was like little, I don't know, but we used to listen to it in the car. So I still have the CD. I think it's called Big Willie Smile. This is what the CD looks like right here. So, I don't know, it's cool. I know every word of this song, which is so funny. All right, this is Prime's walk up, Will Smith, Big Willie style. Here we go. Boy, locked in out there. He locked in.
And Miami and
Every time
See the Riz, Prime. Let's see the Riz.
We spent a few days in Miami, the city to keep the book. Party in the city where they make it all night on the beach to the break of dawn. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a better angle of Primes right here. Party in the city where they make it all night on the beach to the break of dawn. This is the dance we learned yesterday, so we're gonna do this dance real quick. All right, y'all, we're about to go outside, sign some autographs for a little bit. Rope drops at 2 o'clock, so we got some people here early. We're gonna sign some autographs. I'm gonna put you guys on my glasses camera, and we're gonna go from there. See ya. All right, so we're doing some autographs out here, hanging out. I'm gonna sing over there a little bit, so we're gonna sign some autographs, and it's a good day. All right, got you right here. Boom, there you go.
home run.
Trick plays, home runs. Yeah, I hope we have some. Yes, sir. Got you right here, bro. There you go. All right, y'all, I just sang outside. I sang Wreck for the first time live ever, and I think it went pretty good. Maybe I'll get a couple videos of that. If not, I got some of my glasses, and I'll post those. But it's been a good day so far. We're about to be at VIB, which stands for Very Important Banana. They're out there. We're going to sign some autographs, take some pictures, hang out with them. It's going to be a good day. So 3 o'clock, we're getting this thing rolling.
What's up?
What's your name?
Caesar.
What do you do?
I play baseball.
Yes, sir. What position?
I play catcher.
All right, you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro. All right, right here at VIB. We're going to do this thing. Let's go. So I'll go. What's up, bro? What's up, boys? What's up, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. What's up, bro? Good to see you. Yeah, I got y'all. All right, y'all. I don't even know if you can hear this, but we're going out to welcome welcome everybody into the stadium. It's crazy. Hey, hey. We're jamming right now. Oh my gosh.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. All right, it's a good day.
Great day.
How you feeling?
Fantastic. We're here in Miami, first MLB stadium. Couldn't be better.
1 of 18.
That's a lot. That's more than most MLB players will play in this year.
Really?
I mean, we're blessed. You know?
Blessed. We about to get this thing going.
Let's get into it.
Yeah. Pretty sick that we get to do this. Like Ryan said, like playing in more MLB stadiums than MLB players is kind of crazy. We have the best job ever, to be honest. All right, y'all. We're about to get this game going. Just warmed up, just stretched. It's a beautiful day here. It's actually a little cloudy outside, but it don't matter inside. It's 75 and feeling good. So people are filling this thing up. We got 45 minutes till the game starts, so still getting in here. But I'm so excited. This is so cool getting to play here again. It was so fun last year. It's gonna be even more awesome this year. And we get to play tomorrow too, so we got 2 games here, which is really cool. I'm gonna finish up running real quick and get this game going. So thank you guys for watching this vlog so far. Hope you're enjoying it. Now we got a really fun, exciting game. It's gonna be awesome. So see y'all at the game. Bye. All right, the bad guys are coming out here. Look at these guys. Hey, they already lost in my book, bro.
Man, the bananas showed up early. We got that work in, got that entertainment in, bro. Hey, we ready to ball.
Go Tanner!
Hostile! Agile! Always hold yourself to legendary status! Legendary! If y'all see yourself down, pick yourself up! Do not swing at anything unnecessarily! Do not swing at anything unnecessarily! Do not...
We're about to get this thing going. It's a good day, man. Everybody's getting here. This is awesome. Let's go, Miami. Let's get this game going.
Wow, great job.
Very good. That was awesome. Let's go.
Play hard, 9 innings. Boys will come out on top.
Let's get it. Love y'all, boys.
Love you guys. Have fun today. Have fun on 3. 1, 2, 3. Have fun.
Start the clock! Showtime! Let's go! We got Noah Nizick on the mound, face of Reese Hampton. First debut of the game. Let's get it. Backflip catch, calling it for the Birds, baby.
Backflip.
Let's go, Doc! Yeah. Hey, that's a hot start. Attaboy, DR. Let's go. All right, y'all. We walked off the first inning. Did the little line and bet on my own trend, and it was perfect. The little girl was so cute, and she crushed it. It was awesome. Now Tanner's up. Let's see what Tanner can do. Tanner, hit the ball hard and then just get out, though. All right, Party Animals score 1, so we gotta score 2. Let's go. All right, y'all. It is the 3rd inning right now. We're tied up 1-1. It's a good game so far. It's a lot of fun. The crowd is awesome. We just gotta keep hitting the ball, score some runs, and win this thing. Let's go. All right, y'all. Top of the 5th. 2-1. Party Animals are up. I had net bat. Nate was throwing me a high fastball. I couldn't catch up. He left one a little lower. Hit up the middle for a hit. It was awesome. Here's what it looked like.
The first point of his career in his last outing. Trying to double his tally. Barrel. Dalton Mauldin. Down to his last strike. Right back where it came from. The inning tying run is aboard.
And now we're back in this thing. So let's go. Daniel Housy's up. He's got to do this thing. Let's go.
You a ball player, bro. Bro checks into the game, goes out there and does what he does. JYD. Junkyard at bat, bro.
Do what we got to do. Ain't that right?
Man, do what we got to do, man. 2 strikes, bro. Bro had the right approach. Straight through the middle. Line drive in the middle.
I don't know what camera was showing, but I said hi, Mom, right before I hit the ball. So, Mom, if you see this, I said hi. You always tell me to say hi, and I did it. So, there you go.
And last year, he was the first man with a golden bat or home run as he scorches this one to Dalton Mauldin in shallow right field. He is still able to get the force out at second base. That is a big play for the Bananas to collect that first out behind Hosley. Gutsy play at that from the songbird of our generation.
All right, y'all, it is the 9th inning. We're getting this thing going. It is tied 3-3. We gotta walk this thing off right here. We gotta do it. Let's go. All right, so KJ's leading off this inning. He's about to do this thing. Let's go. Oh, we got the golden batter. I'm calling out Coach Rat. It's gotta be Rat. Gotta be. It is. Let's go.
You heard it here first. Whack! No way.
All right, we got 2 down. We got 1 out to score, 1 run to walk this off, or we tie and go to showdowns. Come on. Come on, Ryan. Walk off. Yes! Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Ah! All right, y'all, that means we are going to showdowns. We have gone to so many showdowns, bruh. We gotta win one early. Come on. All right, this showdowns, we have 1 pitcher versus 1 hitter with 1 outfielder, and they have to hit a home run or inside the park home run. All right, so Reese has to throw him out. All right, we got Dan versus the DH as our showdown hitter, and we're gonna see if we can do the same thing right here and score. Because if we don't, we lose. So let's go, Dan.
Typewriter.
Typewriter, Tylenol Jackson. Let's go, Dano. Let's go, baby. Come on, Danny. Yeah! That's good. That's good. Ball's hit deep. All right, that's really good. Let's go! Attaboy! So this is round 2 of showdowns, where it's just a pitcher versus the hitter. There are no people in the field to get the ball. Danny Hosley has to go get the ball and throw him out of the plate, and they have to score. So it's Jake Skull versus Danny Hosley. Let's go. Hey, prediction here.
Change up, low and away, strike down.
Okay, I like that. Bro, if he snagged that.
Would have been sick.
Prediction still, what do you think?
Definitely gonna score.
All right, he's gonna score, but we are too. All right, now we gotta do the same thing, and that's what we're gonna do.
Word to your mother.
Brother, feather duster,
Chef Guster,
nerd cluster,
Bud Rucker,
big Buster Rhymes.
New York Times.
All right, DR's up right now. Mano y Mano versus Drew Gillespie, Gillette Fusion. Okay. Party Animals win. It was a good game. We'll be back tomorrow, though. We'll be back. Don't worry. All right, y'all. That is the end of the night. This was an awesome way to come back here to Miami. We ended up losing, yes, but like, you know, we had fun. That's what matters. Party Animals are a good team. I think we're tied 6-6 on the season, so that's pretty crazy. So tomorrow we're gonna try to win Miami and maybe be 7-6. This place was electric. I mean, 37,000 people sold out. It's pretty cool already, but like we're in a dome, so it's super loud. So it was really cool to be here tonight. The day was great all around. Like got to hang out with my friends, sing a new song for the crowd. We ended up losing, yes, but like got a hit at MLB Stadium. That was pretty cool. Miami, already one of my favorites this year on the board. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you're still here, it means the world. We put a lot of time into these vlogs, and so the fact that you watch these just means the world to us. So go watch Tanner's vlog after this. He's posting one at 7:30. It'll be the Party Animals POV. Mine was the Bananas POV. And it's like 10:30. My arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna get some food. So I will see y'all next week with another vlog. Thanks for watching. Here's a song snippet. Peace. Okay. Look at you, honey, where you